To make an email account private in a Pipedrive account, it is a relatively straightforward process. The reason for keeping an email account private is to prevent certain emails from being visible to team members or other users within the company. This is particularly important for businesses that manage multiple email accounts through their Pipedrive account. To initiate the process, start by clicking on the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the home screen, and then select Company Settings from the drop-down menu. This will lead to a menu on the left side, where you should click on Email Sync. If there are multiple email accounts attached, choose the one you want to make private. Once the email account is selected, scroll down to the Default Email Sharing section in the account settings. If the email inbox is currently shared, it means that all conversations within that email are visible to other users linked to the Pipedrive account. To change this, click on Private to make the email box private, so only you can see the emails in that account. After making this change, a confirmation message will appear, indicating that the sync settings have been updated. As a result, any emails received in the newly private account will only be visible to you, and not to other team members or admins. It is also possible to make individual emails private, rather than the entire email account. To do this, go to the inbox, find the specific email you want to make private, and click on the downward arrow to change its privacy setting. This allows for more control over which emails are shared and which remain private.